Klein here, Coldwell Banker Sunridge. I wanted to talk a minute. I've had a few people come in lately who have or questions that come up in regards to if you've had a loan modification, can you still do a short sale? And the answer is absolutely yes. You're going to want to definitely talk with an agent or a negotiator in regards to how to go about doing that. But just because you were granted a loan modification, and you should actually research within your own paperwork in regards to how that is going to look. But essentially the same paperwork that you turn in for your loan modification is the same paperwork that you're going to turn in for your short sale. And just because you chose to do that loan modification by no way means that you are stuck in that situation. I'm noticing that because we are having an increase in values, people are seeing an increase in their tax bill. Which can increase your payment, $100, $150. And you're going to want to make sure that this is a long-term strategy for you. So that loan modification does not set you in stone. You can absolutely explore a short sale. And I would encourage you to do that before the end of the year, as the Debt Forgiveness Act will expire. So you're going to want to talk to an agent as soon as possible. The banks also are becoming a lot more strict. They're a lot harder to get the short sales through. So if you're on the fence and you're considering doing a short sale, I highly, highly recommend that you do speak with somebody about what your options are. A loan modification by no means straps you to that house. You absolutely can pursue a short sale. As a matter of fact, it may prove that you have tried to keep the home. Any hardship that you may have could be an increase in your tax payment. Any loss in income. There are several different reasons that you could choose to move forward with the short sale. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out to me. I'm at 916-678-1552, 916-678-1552, and I have a full short sale library at jenklein.com. So go ahead and check it out. Thanks.